Hey guys, welcome to this week's Monday Moments. We are in episode 7, believe it or not. We are coming to you from Puerto Rico. We have moved here last Tuesday, so it's been almost a week since we've been here. Not going to be a lot of specifics for this week's Monday Moments. I'm actually recording it right now because it's just been too hectic for me to record anything. But I just want to share some of the highlights of our week and then a little tour of our home. So we'll start with a tour of our home. We are right now just in our master bedroom. Got an air bed currently because our stuff is being shipped here. So this is our bedroom. And we got a closet. That's the bathroom. Got our own master bath, which is awesome. So there's our closet. Tons of mirrors. And I will take you guys now into the office. So this is the office / school room. I was doing some schoolwork, listening to some videos, laying on the floor this afternoon because it was 96 degrees today in here, and laying on the floor with a fan on me was a lot cooler. So this is the office and homeschool room. There's my computer setup. We'll take you guys into Bridger's room. So here's Bridger's room. No beds yet. We've actually been sleeping in the living room because it's been cooler out there. This will be our daughter's room and spare bedroom. Oh, let me turn the light on here. So this will be the spare bedroom for those that come and visit us. And then our daughter will also stay there when she comes back. She is in South Korea on her way to Thailand right now. So this is our foyer, I suppose you would call it. It was originally the living room, but they blocked in the garage and made the garage the living room. So this is our front room. We have yet to decide what we're going to do with it. We're thinking of using it as an art gallery, as Bridger is an artist. So we're thinking of just using it as an art gallery. This is our dining area. We do not have a dining room set yet. Our kitchen. Let me turn the light on for you here. This is our kitchen. We have a great outdoor space as well, but I'm not going to show that to you because it's dark out and it's kind of hard to see it. And then there's our living space. There's Bridger. Probably looking at Porsches online right now. But there's our living room. So that is our house, guys. So that's our house. I'll give you a brief little tour of that. But this week has been really awesome. Sorry about that. This week has been really awesome. When we arrived at the airport, friends of ours picked us up, brought us home, helped us unload all of our stuff, brought me to the store, ended up buying us our air mattresses and our first go-around of needs, toilet paper, cleaning supplies, some groceries, stuff like that. So super blessed, so unexpected, and God has just been so good to us here. Some friends of ours and missionaries on the island, they're actually leaving the island this coming Friday, which is a super sad day, but at the same point we're very blessed because they gave us their furniture and some different things for the house and basic needs that we needed. So we are very blessed by that. We're also purchasing their vehicle. They've given us a really good deal on their vehicle, so we're buying that from them as well. it's just been a great week, guys. We spent time at a friend's house. We've already been invited over to Thanksgiving from a couple here in the neighborhood we live in. We've met some neighbors. Feeling very blessed as our other neighbors right next door to us have a boy Bridger's age, which is fantastic. And it's just been a fantastic week. I went and saw JJ perform in San Juan, met his parents, and it's going to be great continuing to building that relationship. David, who is a guy here on the island who we know, we're going to be working with him and doing some discipleship stuff with him. This Thursday, actually, we are going to be having our first Simple House Church gathering in our home. We've invited a few people to come to that, so pray for us. Not only that they show up, but that not too many people show up because we don't have enough seating for everybody. As you guys saw, we only have a couple outdoor chairs, some bar stools, and one couch, so it could get interesting, but we're open to whatever. So we just want to ask you guys to continue to be praying for us. It's just been a great week. We're looking forward to sharing more videos with you as we begin working here in Puerto Rico, begin going on adventures here in Puerto Rico. We went to the beach Saturday as a family day, which was great to be able to relax from the busy, chaotic week. But we didn't get any footage from that just because our minds are just like, whoa. We just really needed a break and haven't been recording anything. So this is the first time we've recorded anything since we've been here. But I just wanted to share a little brief stuff with you guys and thank you for all your support. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel to continue to get updates. Hit the bell icon. That way you never miss a video that we share. And we're looking forward to sending you guys some more epic videos of adventures we go on here, ministry stuff that takes place, and just the cool stuff God's doing. So we all can say, yay, God, together. Because, guys, God is doing some amazing things. So thank you, guys. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.